Hi, it's Peter here from Outback 365, just giving a wee update on some of the new control panels that are about there on the jacuzzis. Some of the reminders again will come up: water refresh, filter change, etc. Simple, easy to do reset. So if it comes up on your hot tub, simply push reset and set it to the amount of days you want to set it to. So we set it to 180. Push the confirm button and that's it done. Go back, that will clear your reset on that there. You also have resets for your clear ray bulb, pro clarity, that's your filters, and your different settings there. So you can adjust all these here to suit yourself, etc. You've 80 days left out of the 90 on that one. Quite simple, so that works your way through. How to get to those settings: if you need to, again, go to your settings button, go to your water here. If any of these hot tub tips useful, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides.